How to turn off voice isolation on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off voice isolation on your iPhone, whether you are on a regular phone call or a FaceTime call. Voice isolation is designed to block out background noise during calls, but if you prefer to let background sounds through, maybe someone else is trying to talk or it's not working well for you. And here is how you can disable it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first, open your phone app, and once you have opened it, simply start a call. And yes, you must be on active call to access the settings because it doesn't show up until the call connects. And once the person picks up the call, you can simply swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. And once you are here, simply tap on the phone controls at the top. And after that, simply select microphone option. And once you tap on that, you'll see several mic options. Now here, to turn off voice isolation, simply switch it to standard or automatic. And that's it. By doing this, you have disabled voice isolation for your call. And that's it. That's how you can turn off voice isolation on iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.